Oh, my dear Mrs. Siddons, it is so wonderful to welcome you to Southampton again.
Yes, well, I thought it best after my brother's theatre burnt down at Drury Lane.
You must be so distraught not to be able to perform your attitudes. I know a great many of your friends and admirers greatly feel the loss.
Charlotte, have you been scheming again?
Well, Mr. Martin, who runs our local theatre, knows that I am your particular friend, and he has asked me to urge you to consider a special performance. Here, I have a few notes.
The Sarah Siddons Fan Club Theatre present
Named in honour of you, my darling.
The Stinking Fish of Southampton. Well, I hope that isn't a comment on my performance.
No, my dear Sarah. It is an amusement of an anecdote of one of our neighbours, Miss Austen. She is almost as much of an admirer of you as myself.
The Stinking Fish of Southampton, June the 24th, 25th and 26th. With special guest appearance from the great Sarah Siddons herself. Well, sure to be a triumph.